Welcome everyone to today's episode of Crypto News Alerts. Today is October 26, 2022. I'm your host JV, and this is podcast episode number 1086 of the Crypto News Alerts pod. In today's show, Bitcoin liquidates over $1 billion as the Bitcoin price hits a 6-week high. That's right, over $171 million in Bitcoin short liquidations in just 1 hour. This massive amount is the highest hourly liquidation level in 2022. And quoting Crypto Capo, the fact that this retracement is happening before taking the last high is a good sign. In my opinion, we will see the last push up to 21,000 this week. Time pivots are October 27th and November 2nd. The interest rates potential bottom about mid-November. The key levels, $21,000 and $14,000. And quitting Crypto Rover, I honestly think Bitcoin can reach $200,000 plus within 24 months. Also in today's show, Elon Musk is ready to buy Twitter this week, sources say. That's right, the whole drama between Twitter and Elon is about to end. Elon could be about to buy the social media platform as soon as this Friday, just 2 days away. Also in today's show, is MATIC price about to double? Polygon's Reddit hype pushes the exchange balance to 9-month lows. That's right, I'll be breaking this down for you. Also in today's show, top crypto trader says the Bitcoin bottom is in and makes a Bitcoin prediction for the next 4 months. Quoting Calio here, every day Bitcoin is under 20,000 is a gift. That being said, 3+ months of Christmas feels like more than enough. And he also shares just a reminder, I still believe that the bottom is in. Also in today's show, the next Bitcoin rally can start in Q2 of 2023. Mark Yusko explains why. That's right, the anticipation of the next Bitcoin halving will spark a crypto rally next year in 2023, regardless of the grim macroeconomic picture, according to the hedge fund manager, Mark Yusko. Also in today's show, Kraken Analysts details a massive $356,000 Bitcoin price target and a potential Ethereum moonshot as the crypto markets pop. That's right, according to Kraken Analysts, Bitcoin price has historically surged 10x to 15x after touching its 200-week moving average. This implies a future price range for the King crypto between $237,000 and $356,000. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. All this plus so much more in today's show. I want to welcome everyone once again just tuning in. I'm your host JV. Welcome to episode number 1086 of the Crypto News Alerts pod. Let's dive right into today's market watch as we have some very exciting Bitcoin price action to share as things have been stagnant over the past couple of weeks, but that is no longer. As you can see, Bitcoin and the entire crypto market pumping, which we love to see. Bitcoin up 6% for the day, trading just under $21,000. We have Ethereum up a whopping 12.5%, trading just under $1,600. Binance Coin up 3%, trading at $290. XRP up 2.8%, trading just under 47 cents. We got Cardano up about 10%, trading just under 41 cents, while Solana, Polkadot, Avalanche, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, all pumping and in the green. And checking out the crypto market cap as per coinmarketcap.com. Let's get the latest refresh. You can see the market cap sitting above that $1 trillion milestone, which is a great indicator, with about $126 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. The current Bitcoin dominance is 39.8%, with the Ether dominance at 19.1%. And checking out the top 100 cryptocurrency gainers for the past 24 hours, we have Toncoin, literally up a ton, up 25%, trading at $1.90, followed by CVX up 13.6%, trading at $5.87, followed by Ethereum up 11.11%, happy 1111, trading just under $1,600. And checking out the top 100 cryptocurrency gainers for the past week, you can finally see we are back to a sea of green, which is a great indicator for the altcoin market. We have Ton leading the pack up 54%, Hex up 44%, and Clay up 40%. We also have HT up 21% and Lido DAO up 21%. And checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, hallelujah, it is about time. Finally, we see us in fear with a 33. As we have been stuck in extreme fear for too long. Yesterday was a 20, last week a 23, and last month a 21 in extreme fear. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That could be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So there you have it. Welcome everyone just tuning in. How many of you are bullish for the King crypto and feel that this rally will be sustained and continue above the $21,000 level? Or how many of you feel that this could be a potential fake out and we could drop back to new lows? Let me know your honest opinion in the comments right down below. And with that being shared, now let's dive right into our Bitcoin technical analysis and see what's happening for the King crypto as of today. Here we go. Bitcoin saw its highest level since mid-September on October 26th as Bitcoin approached the pivotal $21,000 mark. As you can see here in the Bitcoin 1 hour candle chart, data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed Bitcoin tackling 20,700 at the time of the writing, up over 7% in 24 hours. But what began as an assault on 20,000 continued on the day, liquidations mounting further after already seeing or sealing the biggest shorts obliteration of this year. And according to data from analytics resource CoinGlass, Bitcoin alone accounted for 550 million in liquidations in the past 24 hours. 704 million in cross crypto shorts were liquidated on October 25th, with the October 26th tally so far standing at 275 million, including long positions. The total was over $1 billion. People getting wrecked. Like, whoa. Now check it out. November lows are still on the table, discussing what the future could hold for the Bitcoin price action. Some traders and analysts remain set on previous theories, arguing that the past day's gains had literal structural impact, quoting Crypto Capo here. The fact that this retracement is happening before taking the last high is a good sign. In my opinion, we'll see the last push up to 21,000 this week. Lo and behold, precisely where we're at. Time pivots are October 27th and November 2nd because of interest rates. The potential bottom about mid-November, with the key levels at 21,000 and 14,000 as outlined here in this chart. Let me know if you agree or disagree with crypto analyst and fellow commentator Credible Crypto. Likewise, continued to predict that 14,000 would never arrive. Quoting Credible Crypto here, nothing I have said in the past has changed enough for me to make another video update. Still expecting a new all-time high in 2023. Still not expecting 14,000 to be met in validation. Still think we are basing out before our major impulse. Now just waiting for confirmation of this to start. So there you have it. Let me know if you agree or disagree with Credible Crypto. Now, the last time the Bitcoin/USD price action circled the day's local highs at 20,800 was all the way back on September 13th via Bitstamp. Now checking out Crypto Rover is also predicting a $200,000 plus Bitcoin price within the next 24 months. Let me know if you agree or disagree with these crypto analysts. And before I break down our next story of the day and we dive into what's been trending here on crypto Twitter, the talk is about Elon Musk finally acquiring Twitter by this Friday, which is only 2 days away. Today is October 26th, and this can happen, this potential deal, be closed on the 28th. So with that being shared, let's dive right into our next story of the day. On October 24th, CEO Elon confirmed during a video conference with a group of bankers that he is prepared to close the acquisition of Twitter by Friday, October 28th. That's right. According to the sources interviewed by Bloomberg, the bank provided $13 billion in financing to the electric car mogul to finalize the purchase, which is in the final stages of its paperwork. Now, Wall Street lenders have been preparing for weeks in anticipation of the purchase. The court handling the Twitter set case for Friday, October 28th as the deadline for closing the buyout. Now, following the news, Twitter shares began to rally, approaching the purchase price agreed upon when the two parties began negotiations. Now, Elon hesitated in the Twitter deal because he realized that there were many more bots than Twitter was publicly reporting. In fact, I'd say the majority of the people on Twitter have to be bots, because whenever you do a tweet, you get like a dozen instant bots responding to like literally anything. And I can only imagine being a big influencer like Elon, when he does a tweet, he must get like thousands upon thousands of bots, right? Now, this upset him so much that he wanted to call off the negotiations, as we all recall. And at the time, Elon had acquired a 9.2% stake in Twitter shares. However, he refused to buy the whole company until Twitter revealed the actual number of bots on the platform and proved that less than 5% of its users' accounts were fake. Now, Twitter, the board decided to sue the billionaire, asking a Delaware court to order the execution of the agreement after accusing Musk of using a hypocritical strategy to rescind on the purchase. And in a fiery legal complaint, Twitter noted that Musk's actions could harm the interests of its shareholders, as shared here, having mounted a public spectacle to put Twitter in play and having proposed and then signed a seller-friendly merger agreement. Musk apparently believes that he, unlike every other party subject to Delaware contract law, is free to change his mind, trash the company, disrupt its operations, destroy stockholder value, and walk away. Very bold words from them. And after learning of this news, Elon posted a tweet pointing out the irony of Twitter's actions, since initially the board tried to boycott his efforts to buy the company, only to end up trying to force the execution of the purchase weeks after the proposal. Now, as reported by Crypto Potato, there was some white smoke between Musk and Twitter after the legal dispute. Elon agreed to return to his original plan to buy the social network for $44 billion, which is $54.20 per share, to turn Twitter into a digital town square. And on top of that, the billionaire promised to clean up the platform from all of its bots, and also a series of changes, especially in the field of micro transactions. That's right. And these promises reached the ears of big crypto celebrities such as the CEO of Binance, CZ, who joined his support to help purchase Twitter. And even SBF, the CEO of FTX, said he would love to discuss how Twitter could use the blockchain technology to improve its mission. So there you have it. How many of you are currently using crypto Twitter and excited for Elon to be the new CEO? Do you think the changes he will make are for the greater good of the crypto community and crypto Twitter? Let me know in the comments below. I also like to point out, he once mentioned to get rid of all of these spam bots, that forcing Twitter users, and I have like rooms to go blowing my phone up for delivery, but they're interrupting my live, so I'm not going to disrupt y'all. But anyways, could you imagine if he forced everyone to use Dogecoin to verify their account? What would that do for the crypto price action for Doge? As many of you know, Elon is very bullish on Doge for whatever reason, and he has been. He is the main reason that this meme cryptocurrency has been pumping, and I would not be surprised if he does, in fact, take over Twitter officially here on Friday, that he can force its users to purchase and transact with Doge to verify their account. Now, a much better solution, in my opinion, would be to use Bitcoin, the king crypto, to verify those accounts, but you never know what the richest man on the earth is going to be doing. So with that being shared, let's now dive into our next story of the day, which is doing some MATIC technical analysis, as Polygon MATIC has been breaking out and pumping like a mofo. As of recent, there was a lot of positive news also surrounding Warren Buffett adopting it for something that he is doing with his investments. And Polygon / MATIC has just been extremely bullish as a layer 2 for helping Ethereum scale. So let's now break down our next story of the day. A sharp rebound in the Polygon MATIC market in the last 4 months has increased its price by 200% when measured from its June 2022 bottom of 31 cents. And now the token is showing signs of undergoing another major market rally. I think we're already close to $1. Checking it out right here on Coin360. You can see MATIC currently up 4.5% for the day, trading just under 96 cents. Let's go. Notably, the MATIC supply held by all crypto exchanges fell to 802 million on October 26, its lowest level since January 2022. The plunge came as a part of the broader downtrend that was witnessed over 600 million MATIC leaving the exchanges in the last 4 months, as data from Sentiment shows right here. Now, a declining crypto balance across exchanges is perceived as bullish by the market, since traders typically withdraw their funds from trading platforms when they want to hold the tokens long term. Now, the MATIC chart above shows a similar, albeit erratic, negative correlation between its price and the supply on exchanges, and as a result, a period of decline in MATIC reserves at exchanges has historically coincided with an uptrend in price and vice versa. Therefore, the latest plunge in MATIC supply across the exchanges hints at more upside for the token in the coming weeks, and more cues of a potential MATIC price rally come from the news of Polygon's adoption by mainstream fintech companies. Here we go. This is breaking news. Notably, Nubank, a Brazilian neobank backed by Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, picked Polygon to build its native Web3 ecosystem, and since the October 20th announcement, MATIC's price has rallied nearly 12% from trading at 95 cents on October 26. And furthermore, the massive MATIC outflow from exchanges coincides with the soaring trading and sales volume of Reddit NFT avatars. These digital collectibles are minted as NFTs on the Polygon blockchain. And from a technical perspective, MATIC has broken out of a bullish continuation pattern dubbed a bull flag, whose profit target sits almost double the token's current valuation as shown here in this chart. Now, MATIC also shows similar strength against the King crypto, according to technical setup shared by CryptoCalio, an independent market analyst. Quoting him here, the predominant structure is a higher time frame flag dating back to May of 2021 that looks ready for another leg higher. He wrote and shared this chart, and he also said, I'm expecting a small retrace before breaking out and continuing higher. Now, the MATIC/Bitcoin setup could propel the pair to 0.000065 BTC by early 2023 versus the current price of 0.0000458 BTC, which is a 30% rally. So there you have it. How many of you currently bullish on Polygon/MATIC and currently hodling this cryptocurrency? Let me know in the comments right down below. And with that being shared, now let's break down our next story of the day. The $1 million question: is the Bitcoin price bottom in? As you know, we hit a low not too long ago at around 17,500, and there is a division amongst analysts in the crypto market. Half of the camp says the low is already in and we can expect to only go up from here, while others are saying, of course, we're going to drop lower and see a double bottom. 17,000 was not the official low for this cycle. But what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. With that being shared, let's dive right in to this potential bottom being in. Popular crypto trader says Bitcoin has hit the bottom and beginning of a bull run is now imminent. Synonymous trader known as Calio tells his 500,000 Twitter followers the opportunity to purchase Bitcoin under 20,000 won't last long. As he shares here, everyday Bitcoin is under 20K is a gift. That being said, 3+ months of Christmas feels like more than enough. Send it with haste. Now, Calio uses inverted price charts to compare Bitcoin's bottoming process of 2018 to that of last year. And according to the closely followed trader, both cycles are very similar, supporting the idea that the King crypto has already bottomed and is getting close to a bull run. As he shares here, just a reminder, I still believe that the bottom is in. Here is one more look at the 2021 all-time high cycle versus the 2017 all-time cycle. Up is imminent, which is shared in this chart. Let me know if you agree or disagree with the crypto analyst that the bottom is likely in. And zooming into the shorter time frame, Calio says Bitcoin is showing strength by treating a former downward resistance level as support, as shared here. Nice little bounce on the retest. And Calio points to the correlation between the Bitcoin price and the halvings, which are when the block rewards are cut in half, and theoretically creating a supply shock for BTC. And according to the trader, Bitcoin's current price action is historically in line with the previous market cycles, and based on his chart, Calio is predicting a rally to about the $35,000 level. Send it over the next 4 months or so. As he shares here, if you are a believer in the Bitcoin halving cycle, this is your reminder that the extended period with a lack of volatility in the bear market base range is completely normal. Zoom out. Patience pays. So there you have it. Let me know if you agree or disagree with Crypto Calio that the cycle low is likely in and that we could surge and rise on up to 35,000. Holla at your boy in the comments right down below. And before I break down our next story of the day, and that's Mark Yusko explaining why the Bitcoin rally is likely to start in Q2 of 2023, as well as I share Kraken analyst details massive $356,000 Bitcoin price target and a potential Ethereum moonshot as the crypto market pops. But first, I just want to welcome everyone just tuning in to today's episode of Crypto News Alerts. As you can see, the Bitcoin price action has finally broken out. We're currently trading above 20,800, which is a beautiful sign for the Bitcoin and overall crypto market. And with that being shared, now let's dive right into our next story of the day and discuss the bull run beginning in Q2 of 2023. The anticipation of the next Bitcoin halving will be the main catalyst that sparks a new crypto rally as soon as the Q2 of 2023. According to hedge fund manager Mark Yusko, the halving mechanism, which reduces the Bitcoin block rewards by every 4 years, has historically been a major catalyst for crypto rallies, and the next halving is expected to occur in early 2024, and usually the market will anticipate that at about 9 months, Yusko said. And according to the hedge fund manager, the halving will propel Bitcoin to $100,000, send it, and potentially beyond by the laws of math. Quoting him here, if the block rewards get cut in half to 3.125 from 6.25, then the price has got to go double-ish in order for the miners to continue to make money. He stated, Yusko thinks that the rally is going to take place despite an unfavorable macroeconomic picture dominated by high interest rates and slow growth, and that is because, according to Yusko, digital assets will ultimately prove to be uncorrelated with equity markets. As he shares here, traditional assets are driven by economic growth, Fed policies, inflation. Crypto is driven by the technology itself, millennial adoption. Yusko explained. So there you have it. Also like to point out that obviously there's a lot going on in the crypto market. Stock to flow model is predicting a $100,000 Bitcoin price between 2024 to 2025. And plan B of the stock to flow model has been the most historically accurate Bitcoin price prediction model in existence, though it has been a little off in the more recent times. But with that being shared, now let's dive into the moment you have all been waiting for, and that's this $356,000 prediction. And my apologies if I wrote $356 on the rundown. I obviously mean 356,000. So let's dive into our final prediction for the day. And this is according to some Kraken analysts, Kraken being one of the top exchanges in the United States. Analysts at the US-based crypto exchange Kraken are detailing a massive price target for the top crypto in a new letter to traders. Kraken's technicians use the Bitcoin historic price action to predict where Bitcoin may be heading in the long run. The exchange's forecast is based on how high the Bitcoin price has traded above its 200-week moving average in previous bull runs. And according to Kraken's analysts, the Bitcoin price has historically surged 10x to 15x after touching its 200-week moving average. This implies a future price range for the King crypto between $237,894 and $356,841 as shared here in this chart. Let's send the King crypto 10 to 15x. It's time. Kraken is also looking at where Ethereum may be heading in the long term if past the prologue. The exchange utilizes Ethereum's logarithmic chart and its regression rainbow, which plots the curve of Ether's price range over time. And according to Kraken, because the rainbow trends up, the longer ETH takes to reach its next resistance level, the higher the potential market cycle top. Now, Kraken says that a move to the upper band implies that Ethereum would reach $28,000, representing an 1,839% burst from the current Ethereum price. Holy moly, could you imagine Ether literally bursting to 28,000 and surpassing Bitcoin at its current price? Well, that could be a potential scenario according to these Kraken analysts, which would be wild, because just think about it. If Ethereum did realistically burst 1,800% and hit 28,000, where do you think that would put the King crypto? Just saying, at least 10x that, I would imagine, a $288,000 Bitcoin price. Now, after an extended period of low volatility, both Bitcoin and Ethereum have popped in the past 24 hours, as I pointed out here in the show. What are your thoughts surrounding Ethereum realistically hitting this 27,000 target and Bitcoin hitting a $356,000 target? Let me know your honest thoughts in the comments right down below. Obviously, I am very optimistic for the future price action for the King crypto. Short term, anything is possible. So I'm kind of conflicted between Credible Crypto, who says the next bull run can start in 2023 and we can hit as high as 150,000 next year. But I also believe that it may take until 2024. We may have an extended crypto winter as the next bull market always kicks off from the Bitcoin halving, which is set to occur early in 2024. So it'll be interesting to see how things play out as we are starting to pump now. But let me know your 2 Satoshis in the comments right down below and where you feel the Bitcoin price action is likely to go here in the short term, and as far as the long term as well. By around the time of 2024, do you feel we can realistically be at a 6-figure or multiple 6-figure Bitcoin price? Let me know in the comments right down below.